Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. It's going to be a cook with me video, and today I'll be making delicious pot of stew. I'll be cooking a pot of stew. So here I have well blended tomato. Here I have parboiled chicken. I boiled this chicken with turmeric powder, curry powder, salt and pepper, and of course seasoning cube. So the chicken is halfway cooked already. Here I have onions, ginger, garlic, seasoning cube. Here we have turmeric powder, curry powder, salt, pepper, and of course oil. So this is oil, vegetable oil. Okay, so I'll be cooking this pot of stew with all these ingredients. These are just basic ingredients, very basic ingredients. I want to make a quick pot of stew today. You know what, people, let us go straight into today's video.